Stan Jabalisco here from the black holes of Dakota Territory, United States of Advancement of Knowledge. And tonight's Advancement of Knowledge tutorial will be very brief from chapter 34 of this book right here, Teach Yourself Electricity and Electronics, 5th edition. I will provide a link to this book by Amazon so you can purchase it if you like it. You can just go to the link in the description of this video, and here you'll be right at this page here. You can look inside, see all kinds of cool stuff like the table of contents, and then you can maybe decide whether you like the way I write or not. Some people like it, some people don't. But anyway, what I'd like to do for you here, rather than expound on the merits of my book, Teach Yourself Electricity and Electronics, 5th edition, is show you instead an example of telepresence, a diagram of telepresence. Well, what that basically is it's a remotely controlled robot called a telecheer and a human operator that allows the human operator to more or less exist as the robot. In other words, it can see what the robot sees. You'll be able to hear what the robot hears. And this robot could be far, far away as long as the delay in propagation between you and the robot isn't too great. Generally, this is the sort of thing that is increasingly taking place in warfare in the American military. Eventually, maybe we'll just have robot soldiers controlled by people safely ensconced in places like my like my hometown, and then the robots can kill each other off and destroy each other, and the humans will be perfectly safe. I think that'd be a kind of a improvement over the current method of warfare, don't you think? But anyway, the human operator is connected by means of all kinds of gadgets and devices, sort of like being wired up in a hospital to a modem transceiver, actually a sort of a transponder that goes to another transponder connected to the robot. So you can literally move your arms and legs and look around, and the robot will do the same thing, and it'll be as if you are in, say, maybe you're in some place like Nepal. But not really. The telecheer is, but you're sitting in Leeds, South Dakota, the black holes of Dakota Territory, United States of Advancement of Knowledge. You can learn more about Nepal without actually having to go to Nepal. Actually, I think it's an improvement to really go to a place and experience it for yourself. With the exception of warfare. I can see it now. Robot wars. Maybe they can all be just operated by one person. The leader of each country can fight with their robots and make a game out of it instead of actually killing people. As you can tell, I'm in kind of a funky mood, but this is figure 34-11 from my book, Teach Yourself Electricity and Electronics, 5th edition. And there's an awful lot more stuff in that book. Again, a link to which I will provide in the description of this video. You can go and learn all about things like that and many, many more electronics-related topics. And by the time you're finished with this book, you will be even smarter than I am about electronics, which ain't saying much, but such is life. Stan Jabalisco, signing off by means of robot control from the black holes of Dakota Territory, United States of Advancement of Knowledge. Until next time, so long.